Working remotely completely changed my life. Now I have time, energy, and freedom to enjoy the things I love. That's why I created a free training showing the exact steps I use to attract remote opportunities. Check the link below and get free access right now. Let's begin our lesson about packages and libraries. First, talking about the packages. We already have a package here. You can see that I have created a folder called purchase, and inside of this folder I have aggregated all of my modules. This characterizes a package. So basically this folder right here, purchase, is a package. Why? Because this folder has Python files inside of it. Simple as that. Think about the packages just as a folder that contains Python files. These files can be modules, but can also be scripts. Let's create another package here to demonstrate this concept. I'm gonna click with the right button here, new folder, and I'm gonna call this folder package A. Inside of this package A, I'm going to create a file called module.a.py and another file called module.b.py. Inside of the module A, I'm going to declare function A and function B like this. And inside of the module B, I'm going to declare the function C and function D, like this. Now we have a package with two modules, and each module has two functions. So now outside of the package, I'm going to create a new file called main.py that is going to be my orchestrator, the file that imports the package and its modules and uses its functions. Now you need to remember that this main.py file is outside of the package. So if I want to import a module that is inside of this package, I can use a similar syntax that I use when I want to import a function from a module. But now I want to import a module from a package. From package A, import module A. And now I can just use the functions that are available inside of the module A, like this. If I run this file, I'm gonna see the result of function A running. You can check here. This is the function A. This is what the function A does. And here we have the exact output of the function A calling a function that belongs to a module that is inside of a package, and doing this in a file that is outside of the package. And the same way that we did with the functions, we can give it an alias to make it shorter, like this. If I run out, we're gonna see the same output, so this is working. Instead of importing the whole module, we can also import only the function that we want. In this case, we need to change the way that we are going to import, and it's going to be like this. from name of the package dot name of the module import name of the function. And in this case, we only need to call the function. Running the file, we're gonna have the same output, also proving that it works. Dealing with the packages in Python is pretty easy, but it wasn't always like this. In older versions of Python, in order to make the Python platform understand that a folder is a package, we needed to create a file inside of the folder called _init file, like this. If you already had the opportunity of taking a look at a large Python project, you probably already noticed this type of file right here that has this _ in its name. In previous versions of Python, we needed to create this file in order to tell Python that this is a package. Nowadays, as I showed you earlier, we don't need to do that anymore. But this raises a question. If this _ file is not required anymore to tell Python that this folder is a package, why do we still see this file in large projects? And I'm gonna answer this question in the next topic. Working remotely completely changed my life. Now I have time, energy, and freedom to enjoy the things I love. That's why I created a free training showing the exact steps I use to attract remote opportunities. Check the link below and get free access right now.